Hello and welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's Quick Start Guide on the DJI OM5 Phone Gimbal.
The assembled DJI OM5 Gimbal sits on a table with its tripod legs, gimbal motor and arm, and magnetic phone clamp.
The OM5 is an easy-to-use stabilizer designed to help capture clean and smooth smartphone footage anywhere.
Smooth sample footage shows someone walking outdoors, passing by trees.
This tutorial will cover using the gimbal without the DJI Mimo App, which is not required for use.
A screen recording of the Mimo App appears, showing the speaker walking around a space and talking to the camera.
Your first step is to remove everything out of the bag. You'll have the gimbal, tripod legs, a magnetic phone clamp, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. From there, screw the tripod into the bottom of the gimbal and unfold the gimbal arm. Place your phone into the magnetic phone clamp. Look for the camera icon on the clamp indicating the direction your phone should be. Make sure it's centered as well. It should secure snugly around your smartphone. In some cases, your phone case may be too thick, in turn, preventing the clamp from securing tightly around the device. Once your phone is secure, line up the marks on the phone clamp with the marks on the clamp mounting plate. Gently attach the two, letting the magnets do the work. If you want to extend your gimbal and have more distance,
the speaker moves the fully extended gimbal like a selfie stick, raising and lowering it with a phone attached.
Grab the bottom of the gimbal arm at the top of the handle. Pull up until the extension rod stops. Now extended, you can also adjust the angle of the arm from 0 to 90 degrees. Now let's talk about buttons. Hold down the power button, the M button, until the gimbal dings on and the battery level lights appear.
The power button, marked with an M, is located on the left side of the gimbal body. The speaker presses and holds it until the battery lights appear.
The number of lights will indicate how much charge the gimbal has.
3 battery lights turn on, with a green light to the left, indicating a full charge.
Plug in the charging cord to the USB-C port on the right side if needed. 2 taps of the M button and the gimbal will enter safety mode.
The speaker presses the M button, and the gimbal enters sleep mode. The gimbal arm loosens, and the phone shakes as it falls into a natural resting position.
This is a safety feature that disables the gimbal motors to prevent damage if the device is turned on while the phone is improperly balanced, obstructed, or if the magnetic clamp is not positioned correctly. And it'll also save the battery. 2 taps of the circular arrow icon will switch between horizontal and portrait positioning.
The speaker presses the rotate button located above the battery lights. The phone orientation changes from a vertical portrait position to a horizontal landscape position.
The joystick controls the pan and tilt of the gimbal.
The speaker moves the joystick on the back of the gimbal with her thumb. The gimbal pans the phone left and right, then up and down, matching the direction of the joystick.
If you want to recenter the gimbal, double tapping the trigger will do just that. Pressing and holding the trigger will lock its orientation as you move. This keeps the camera pointing in a constant fixed direction, regardless of how the handle moves. This prevents shaky footage and maintains a smooth, level horizon.
The speaker tilts the gimbal forward and backward while the orientation is locked. The smartphone's position remains consistent throughout the movement. They then perform the same motion with the orientation unlocked, causing the smartphone to shift during the movement.
The other buttons on the gimbal will only work if you have installed and paired the gimbal to your phone through the DJI Mimo App. When finished with your recording, disassemble the gimbal in the reverse order you assembled it in.
The speaker removes the phone and magnetic clamp from the gimbal arm, then unscrews the arm from the tripod legs.
Your content will be found in the native photo gallery app on your phone, just like the pictures and videos you normally take. We recommend using the OneDrive app to easily move your content to the cloud, so it's easier to access when editing on your computer later on. For more information or assistance, visit the Faculty Multimedia Center or email us at fmc@ucf.edu.
The FMC logo animates on screen. On-screen text reads, "Thanks for watching." In the bottom right corner, text reads, "Find us online," alongside a scannable QR code and the hyperlink text, https://cdlucf.edu/support/fmc.